It's mini-me day. It's mini-me day. The post office gets worse about delivering day by day. They suck, okay? This has been in transit for I don't even know how long. Like since maybe the 20th, 19th, I don't know. But today's the 3rd before I got it. So I'm trying to get these out as quick as I can, but I don't get the stuff. I can't do the video. I don't believe it's Maniology's fault, although when they ship from Vegas, it takes forever. It'll sit there in Vegas for a week and just, you know, saying that they've got it. That's it. Anyway, I'm sure you guys have seen that too. So let's go ahead and show last month's winner right here. Please email me at guyling325@hotmail.com. Oh my gosh, Hotmail, guyling325. And if you don't hear from me in a couple days, DM me on Instagram. I try. Sometimes I miss it. Sometimes it always goes to my junk, but sometimes I miss them. But usually I'm checking my junk mail 3 or 4 times a day and, you know, keeping the stuff I need to. All right. So let's check out what's in this box. This is for April, for the month of April. So if you order a Mani-Me box from now until I think at least the 17th of the month, this is the box you're going to get. If it's after the 20th, when they, you know, show the new one, that's the one you'll get. So let's check this one out. Sorry about all the noise. My door keeps sucking, and like hitting the wall, and the window's open. The cat's in here, so there's no telling what you're going to be hearing. People driving by because my window's open. All right, Mani and Me, and it looks like we have some stars and like Milky Ways and moons. That's cute. And here is the Mani they did, and then on the back it shows how they did it, step by step. Let's see what we've got. Northern Glow, magical tribute to the Aurora Borealis. And I don't know how far south, we've actually got to see it for the first time in I don't know how long. A couple of times already this year. And last week again. But you do have to like take a picture without your flash on in night mode, and where it is, and then it shows up in the picture. It doesn't show up like to the naked eye, at least not here in Southern Illinois. But we have 2 plates, MXM 173 and MXM 174, and it's just Northern Lights, patterns, galaxy of stars. Okay. The colors are Night Sky B579, a teal stamping polish with hollow glitter that glimmers like the northern heavens, and Stardust, a silvery gold, okay, stamping polish that sparkles like falling light from distant stars. Ignore what I have on because it looks like crap, and I don't even know what color this is. I think this was a thermal, and it doesn't change anymore. It's actually in the other room because I thought it was pretty. It was pretty in the bottle, but I painted 1 coat and then I remembered why I don't like it, because it's so textured, and even with like 3 tops of top coat, yeah, it still wasn't any good. So, oh, what's the extra? Oh, an extra plate, Starlit Skies. All right, we'll check those all out. Get this out of the way. So hopefully we got some polish here that I can cover this up with. I'll just paint over the top of it. I don't know how I feel. I mean, three plates is a really good deal. I just don't know how I feel about that. If I want an extra something like art supply instead of an extra plate. I don't know. I think that's coming from a place where I just have too many plates. Oh, before I forget. I've used this cleanup brush forever. Years and years. And to where I couldn't see the name anymore. I didn't know, wasn't sure where it came from. The glitter doesn't like fall back and forth very well anymore. But cleanup brush I ever had. I got another one, and it is from Lantern and Wren. And then I noticed that there is a little, sorry, excuse me, Bisquick, a little bit of an L left there. So Lantern and Wren is where I got it. I thought it was. So I bought another one. I'm so excited to have a new brush. And here are the polishes. Ooh, I really like that. Night Sky. And now I see what they say about silver and gold. This I really needed because I'm out of my favorite gold that's, I call it a champagne gold from Hit the Bottle Calypso Gold. And they have not had it back in stock in Lantern and Wren forever. I mean, I could order it from Australia, but the shipping. So this is Stardust. Beautiful. Okay, that's going to be great. And then the plates. That's cool. I really like that. Oh, that's kind of cool too. That one has some shooting stars and galaxies. I actually have plates almost just like this from Maniology. A little bit of shooting galaxy there. That's pretty. And there is, this is 173, 174, 176. Okay, so I'm guessing 175 is going to be released also. Must be along this theme. Oh, that's kind of cool. All right, zoom in a little closer so you can see. I really like these two. I like that one too, but I don't really have enough nail anywhere. That one's cool. But I do have several plates that have kind of a swirl. This one I think is probably my favorite because I think that would be more to what I could do some designs with. This one, maybe. This one. I mean, they all look really cool. I also like that image. So you can enter to win a box that's just exactly like this. I actually got both of them today. They both came. Usually I get the first one that they send me to review and show you guys, and then I get the second one that I order to give away about, I don't know, like 10 days later. So this giveaway maybe get turned around quicker. I don't know. Usually I just wait and announce the winner in the next one. So what should I do? Should I pick a time just a couple weeks past or as soon as I get the box and do the giveaway, or are you guys okay with me waiting until the next video for Maniology to do the giveaway. I don't really care. All right, there is the first one, Night Sky. It is kind of a green teal. I really like that color. Oh, it didn't stick at all though, because that paper's hard to stick to. Let me go a little quicker. Glitters are kind of hard too. You just have to be quicker with the glitters. And that one's kind of a chunky glitter. There, much quicker. All right. It's not showing up on the black really worth mentioning. Didn't expect it to because it's dark. But I like that teal green color. But just keep in mind, stamping with glitter I don't think is very ideal. It doesn't make as crisp or clean of an image as a cream or a metallic does. But that's going to be pretty painted on my nails. Okay, I swear I hit record, but it didn't. I didn't connect with my finger good enough, I guess. So this one gets an A. This one is very pretty. It's a creamy metallic. It's very reflective. It shows good up over both the colors. That's an A. And if I missed it, this one I give a B, because the glitter does not stamp real great. And I'm feeling B for that, okay? Okay, after painting my nails with this, if you can see, it's really, it's not really that sparkly. You know, not like it looks in the bottle. It's also very textured and it stains. This is with one top coat. I already top coated it once with some Fast and Hard, some thick quick dry. And I think I'm going to have to do another one to get stamping to be smooth on it. So I'm sticking with the B. Glad I gave it a B. All right, we got mowing and everything else going on. So when we had the Aurora Borealis, oh wow, I said it right the first time. What I could see was a lot of pink and kind of green and purpley colors going on. So I think I'm going to do a little blend of those, although I do want to see, I think I'll probably do it on this hand or maybe a thumb, and do kind of a blend with several colors. Let's see what we think. What have I got? Frosty Cheer, Satin Blush, and a Bluebell. I mean, it was like the green and the pink the most, I think. Oh, that's cool. That looks really cute. All right, am I going to change my mind about these? Maybe. Oh, that looks nice. So this polish, it really smears. So be very careful if you're painting your nails not to get it around on your skin, because it's not pleasant to clean, okay? I want this image right here, as much of it as I can get with the moon and the stars. Oh, I love it. See, my daughter will like this too. She likes that kind of stuff. And let's do a little shooting star action with the pink. Let's see. I'm going to kind of shove that up as I go so I can get that in. Oh, I like that. This one, I think, maybe do several in different colors. Let's go with that one in green. Oh, that's really cute. I've had this forever. Has it got a date on it? August 2019. That's how long I've had this. And it's just a matte topper, but it's really cool. So I don't know. I'm gonna like this over this. I'm gonna go for it because I really think this would look cute matte. Plus all the extra stuff. Oh yeah, that with the matte, I think looks amazing. Very pretty. Really happy with that. All right, so I kind of changed my mind with these plates. Stay tuned for a little fun video here at the end. Please use Skyline325 anytime you're shopping at Maniology. It really helps me out. Thanks, guys. Bye. Super windy. The catio blew over. Catio down. Ripped the screen all out and the back side of it.